guys, what's up? I wanted to do a quick little DIY tutorial on how I make my rose water. Especially around Valentine's Day, I'm really into the roses, and so I like to make rose water to use on my altar and in rituals, so I'm going to show you how I personally make it. It first starts by using about 3 roses and picking off all the petals and setting them in a strainer. Next, you want to wash your rose petals with distilled water and let them soak for a little bit, just to get any chemicals or pesticides or bugs off. You just don't want any of that on there, and you want it to be the most natural possible. After this, you want to place them in a pot of distilled water and set them to a low simmer. You also want to make sure that there's a layer of water covering the top of the rose petals just so they are completely submerged. And after a while, you start to see the color difference with the petals. It'll go from pink to light pink to white, depending on how long you let them boil. And this will ultimately determine how rich in color your rose water is. If you're looking for more natural, more raw kind of color and scent for the rose water, you're going to want to just let them boil for a little bit. If you want it to be really red and rich in color, you're going to want to let it sit for longer. To get the really rich color that I did for this video, I did let it sit for about 30 to 45 minutes on a low simmer. And once the petals got to a light pink to whitish color, I pulled them off and poured them into a strainer that sat over a bowl and let that cool. If you wanted to take this a step further, you could also use these petals that you boiled in a bath ritual or some other sort of ritual, just so you get to use all of it. And then once you move your strainer, you'll see your rose water. And like I said, it's really rich in color because I boiled it for longer, so if you want something a little bit lighter than this, then just boil it for less time. But yeah guys, this is the rose water that I make. And you can use this for spells and rituals and just things having to do with self-love and love in general. Just really good for this time of the year with welcoming in all the beautiful energies of love and self-love and positive energy of Valentine's Day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you have a very blessed Valentine's Day.